top. The lake's way down there. But just pay attention up there. You see something that looks like about a mid-sized dog?
Yeah.
Make sure you got your camera out.
Yeah. That was yesterday?
No, that was 8 years ago now.
That's so cool you come up there all the time.
Well, our kids are 15 and 10, and Ethan's been up here 14 times, Natalie's been up here 9 times. But we bring them, we carried them as babies.
Yeah. So now they can walk themselves.
Yeah, we hiked at Cracker Lake yesterday. Yeah. But just as a parent, we decided, we wanted to bring them to the outdoors.
Early. And now like they love it.